Hello everyone, as you can see we are in a special location today. We are on the hills of Gavilan in Todos Santos, and I'm about to bring you inside one of the most special property that is currently for sale here in this neighborhood. It's called Villa Voladizo, and it's a wonderful 5-bedroom property. It's built on this hill with a stunning view over the Pacific Ocean. Are you ready for this property tour? Come on, let's go, let's dive into it. So what's your thought about Villa Voladizo? This is a special property that is located here in have a surf villa in Todos Santos, and they want to live in this neighborhood that is right between Pescadero and Cerritos. It's surrounded by beautiful homes and it has a stunning ocean view. And if you need more information about this property and everything else that is in this neighborhood, you know what to do. You gotta contact me. I am Francesco Lee and I'm your Italian Cabo Realtor. I see you on the next property tour. Ciao!